Tired of Instagram butchering your beautiful landscape videos when you try to post them as reels? First, let's open up Instagram and tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen, and then select Reels. Now, instead of directly selecting your landscape video, tap the small square icon at the bottom left corner. This will open your full camera roll. Select your landscape video from here. You'll notice it's still zoomed in, and we need to fix that. This is where the magic happens. Use two fingers to pinch and zoom out on the video preview within the Reels editor. Keep pinching until your entire landscape video is visible within the frame. You'll see black bars appear at the top and bottom. This is normal. Now you can add music, text, or any other effects you want to your reel just like you normally would. Once you're happy with your edits, tap the next button. Add your caption, hashtags, and tag any relevant accounts. Finally, tap the share button, and your beautiful landscape video will be posted as a reel, perfectly framed and without any awkward cropping. Now go and share your best landscape videos without losing any of the details.